Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari search not working. So to start, open your phone settings. Now in here, go to apps. So scroll down and open apps. Now in here, open Safari. Next, scroll down to the bottom and look for clear history and website data. So click on that. Then choose a time frame at the top. Then confirm the action. So once done, open Safari and try again and see if it works. Now, next is to update your iPhone. So, open settings. So, once you're on settings, scroll down to general and open general. Under general, look for software update and make sure your iOS is up to date. So, install any available updates. Then, once updated, open Safari again and see if it works. Another thing you can do is to close Safari completely. So, swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen again and see if it works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.